Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Jaclyn, but you can call me Jane. If you're new to this channel, hi, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So okay, you guys, how is everybody doing today? Okay, so you guys, today we're going to be going in with an old palette, which is going to be a throwback palette. And the palette we'll be using today is the Morphe Jaclyn Heal palette. This one. And this is the Dark Magic palette. And this is how it looks like. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we're going to find out. So if you want to know what kind of look I get with this palette, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I already did my eyebrows from the eyelids and all that good stuff off camera. But before we even continue, I went to Ulta. No, not Ulta. I went to Ulta to go, yeah, Ulta. I went to Ulta to go find like a good brush cleaner. Sadly, there wasn't anything good. So I went to Sephora. So someone told me, well, they recommended me this one, the Dry Clean Instant Dry Brush Cleaner Spray. This stuff works amazing. Literally. And then I got another one. It's called Detox Deep Cleaning Brush Shampoo. This is for really, like, especially I would use this one more if I use a foundation brush, and you know, you want to take all of that foundation out, and it works perfectly. Earlier today I was cleaning my oval brush. This is the brush I use to you know, spread around my foundation, as y'all seen and on the last videos. Yo, look how clean my damn brush is. This is just, holy shit, this is clean, like literally. So if you are a beauty person and you have trouble finding something to clean your brushes with, I totally recommend these two. This one's for deep cleaning, and this one is a dry clean spray that you instantly spray it on there, like start brushing it on a napkin, whatever, and you can use it instantly after that's done. It comes off easily. But yeah, these are two of these that I recommend. These are at Sephora. I think this one was $15 and this one was $14. So yeah, totally recommend these. These are amazing. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the palette. So the first color shade, whatever you want to call it, we'll be going to is this one, and this is called Poof. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. And this color, we'll be using it as a transition color. Alright, so next color we'll be going in with is with this more of a darker shade, and this is called Shh. And I'm just gonna apply this on the outer of the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this green color right here, and it's called Potion. So now I'm gonna go in with a more darker color, and this is in this color right here, and this color is called Inside Job. Just gonna grab just a little bit and then apply. Alright, so next we're gonna do a cut crease. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with that color and darken it up just a little more. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the go-to liquid glitter eyeshadow, and we're just gonna apply a little bit on that crease. Alright, that should be good enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some eyeliner and make a wing. Alright, that should be good enough. Now I'm gonna get some mascara. I'm gonna go in with the MAC Boss Lash Extreme. And pop on some lashes. Alright you guys, so this is the final eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so I'm done with the other eye. So now it's time to go to the face. So the primer we'll be using is the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Lighting Primer. So now for our foundation, we'll be going in with the Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna grab a sponge and set that in place. So now I'm gonna get concealer. The concealer I'll be using is the Clinique Beyond Protecting Foundation Plus Concealer. And I'm in the color CN10. So I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Benefit bronzer. Alright, for blush, I'll be going in with the Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. Alright, so next, highlights. Alright, so for eyeliner, we're going to be going with the Tartiest Pro Glow and going with these two. So now we're going to go to lips. Go ahead and get some mascara to get the lower lashes. Alright, so for lipstick, I'll be going in with the e.l.f. lipstick, and this is in the color Blushing Brown. And for setting spray, I'll be going in with the Ulta Beauty Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. With the Jaclyn with Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Morphe palette. So yeah, so this is the makeup look. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys love the makeup look, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave some comments below. And once again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.